Pyramid, not period. Now that's what they was trying to say. Pyramid, not period. Pyramid, not period. Pyramid, not period. Now that's what they was trying to say. Period. Means pyramid. Period. Means pyramid. Now that's what they was trying to say. No period, no period. A pyramid, not period. Pyramid, not period. Now that's what they was trying to say. Pyramid, the pyramid. Pyramid, not pyramid. Pyramid, not period. Pyramid, not period. Now that's what they was trying to say. Pyramid, not period. Yeah, that's what they was trying to say. Pyramid, not period. Pyramid, not period. Pyramid, not period. That's what they was trying to say. That's what they was trying to say. Pyramid, not period. Pyramid, not period. That's what they was trying to say. We gonna tell them how to say it. Pyramid, not period. Pyramid, not period. Pyramid, hey! Pyramid. Not period. Pyramid. 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 Not period. Ain't no stopping this, nigga. Ain't no stopping this, nigga. You put a period on yourself, you stopping yourself, nigga. Ain't no stopping this, nigga. Ain't no putting a period on me, nigga. Take that motherfucking period off me and say pyramid, nigga. Fuck is wrong with you? You don't even know why you say pyramid, did you? You're just saying it because I told you to say it. But see, pyramid is divine numbers. The world is gonna stop talking, kid. Think about it. Snapchat, get to the fucking point. Instagram, get to the fucking, make it instant, nigga. And TikTok, come on, nigga, TikTok, hurry up. What you guys say? You 15 seconds to say it. What? Nobody wants to fucking use words no more. In the future, we're not going to use words. And the future is coming very soon. Motherfucker is getting to the point, dog. The universe don't speak in words, it speaks in numbers. That ain't that right. That's 3. That ain't that 3.
That's 3.
The universe speaks in numbers. Fuck words. Numbers and movement. There's a nigga on Instagram right now made $1 million and never said a fucking word. He's the future, nigga. He didn't say one fucking word. The dude just makes expressions, and he just does expressions. Nigga, The universe is ruled by 3 things. We're going into stop talking. You got to learn how to express yourself without fucking talking. We have to use numbers. Numbers have meanings because all your letters are just they're not behind them in numbers. Figure it out. A represents what?
1.
B represents what?
2.
C represents what?
3.
It's numbers, nigga. So your letters is really numbers. So if your letters are numbers and the universe is reading your shit as numbers and you using words, well, you wasting energy. And all of what you're trying to get in life is motherfucking adding up the bullshit because you're using too many words. Stop talking and just do it.
Thanks.
And make your shit equate to one thing, one number, nigga. Everything you do should be equated to one number. Let me explain this shit to you. There's only 9 numbers in the universe. That's 1 through 9. 10 is an illusion. Well, 1 is an illusion, but we'll get into that later. But 10 is an illusion. 10 is really 1, and 11 is really 2, and 12 is really 3. You always reduce it to the, what? Lowest dimension of numbers, right? So 1 plus, so if somebody said, hey, here's a 12. What's 12?
3.
What's 13?
4.
What's 14?
5.
What's 15?
6.
What's 16? What's 17?
8.
What's 18?
9.
What's 19?
1.
1. There is no 20. Get out of that. What's today's date? What's today's mathematics?
Mathematics of the day, day 8.
Give me a full date. March what?
March
3?
3, 8, 6.
No, give me the full out date.
March 17th.
I know your mind has been already programmed to reduce it to the finest number.
Yes.
I understand that. But for the people, today is what? March 3/17.
3/17, 2022.
2022. So we would add what? 3 plus what? 17, which is 20,
20.
plus 2 plus 2 plus 2. And you would get what?
8.
20 what?
26.
26. Reduce that to the final number, you get 2 plus 6, which is what?
8.
So it's 8 o'clock. In our language, we live in another dimension. We reduce all numbers to the most common number. So there is no staggered numbers. There's only 1 through 9. And all numbers, no matter how high the digit, we reduce it to one number. And that's what the universe does. The universe, you saying words, but the universe doesn't hear words. It calculates numbers. It's called binary code. So with that being stated, we have to study binary code, right? If the universe works in binary code, we have to study the laws of binary code. Now, the laws of